Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 7th question in exercise 7.10. So let's take up the first subdivision, that's integral between 0 to 1 x e power x dx. So this is of the form of integral u dv. So let's write the formula for. So this is uv minus integral v du. So first let's identify the u and v dv here. So u is going to be equal to x, which means du is equal to dx. Then dv is going to be equal to e power x dx, which means v is integral of e power x dx, which is e power x. Now let's substitute in the formula. So this is going to be uv, which is x e power x minus integral v du. So this is going to be e power x dx. Remember, everything is inside the limits 0 to 1. So first let's finish this integration, after which we'll apply the limits. So this is x e power x minus integral e power x dx is just e power x. So e power x between the limits 0 to 1. So first let's apply the upper limit. So this is going to be 1 into e power 1 minus e power 1. So this is the upper limit minus the lower limit, x is going to be equal to 0. So 0 into e power 0 minus e power 0. So now let's simplify. So 1 into e power 1 is just e power 1 minus e power 1. So this will vanish. Now this is minus 0 into anything is 0. Now minus of minus is plus e power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So the value of this particular integration is 1. Now let's take up the second subdivision. Second subdivision, integral 1 to 2 e power x 1 by x minus 1 by x squared dx. This is of the form integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So if this is the integration, then the answer is e power x f of x. So let's apply this directly. So here f of x, e power x is matching, so that is not the problem. So let's confirm. So f of x is equal to 1 by x. Therefore f dash of x is equal to minus 1 by x squared. So we see that f of x is 1 by x. So after integration, this is e power x into 1 by x. Now I have to put the limit 1 to 2. So let's substitute the upper limit. So this is going to be e power 2 divided by 2 minus, substituting the lower limit, is e power 1 or simply e divided by 1. So if you take this out, this is e power or e square divided by 2 minus e. You can take out the e common, or you can just leave the answer with this particular value. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 8th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.